Sinasabi mo, nagbaba si Senator Estrada ng 355.
Yes po,
Si
Your
Senator
Honor.
Villanueva nagbaba ng 600 million.
Yes po, pero hindi po
Okay,
2025 yun kay Senator Joel po. Hindi po.
Hindi, 600 million sabi mo.
Opo, pero I mean,
Okay,
hindi po
we
siya
checked with
2025.
GAA. No? Yung kay Senator Villanueva, in fairness to him, hindi namin makita sa GAA yung mga enumeration mo o yung enumerated list of projects. As para Senator Jinggoy, nakita namin talaga yung 7 items kasi item for item, chinek namin, nagtugma doon sa sinabi mo. But in fairness to Senator Villanueva, unless you modify the list that you enumerated at tumama doon sa aming chinecheck, then we will also hold him into account. But as of now, we cannot. That's why I did not mention him. Yung 600 mo, mali eh. Mali yung description mo. At wala kami makita. But I want to be truthful, ano? As para Senator Jinggoy, nakita namin 355. Now, ibang usapan yon doon sa sinasabi mong 30%. The burden of proof is on you.